If you're looking for a mouth-watering, fall-apart, tender beef dish that is packed with bold Jamaican flavors, then this slow-cooked jerk chuck roast is the perfect recipe for you. This dish combines the deep, smoky heart of jerk seasoning with the richness of a slow braised roast, creating a delicious and comforting meal. Using a crock pot makes this recipe incredibly easy, allowing the flavors to mold together beautifully over hours of slow cooking. To season the roast, we use a dry herb mix and wet jerk seasoning. We will list everything on our website and it will be listed in the description bar below. Then we chopped up some onions, scallions, garlic, thyme, ginger. For extra flavor, sear your roast in a hot pan before placing it in the slow cooker. After you've seared your beef on both sides, you're just going to pop that into the slow cooker, and then we're in the same pan, we're gonna saute our vegetables. Sauteing the vegetables first before putting them in the slow cooker will just release all the aromatics and the flavors. And while that is sauteing, we're just going to add in our red label wine and deglaze that pot, and then we're going to season it up. Flavors on top of flavors. Let that sauce boil for at least 5 minutes and then pour it on top of your chuck roast. This absolutely delicious. So while that's in the chuck roast, we're just going to chop up our carrots and our potatoes. You will love this chuck roast because it is packed with flavor. The jerk seasoning, the red wine, and the aromatics work together for a bold, savory taste. Not to mention, it is easy prepared with just a little prep work. The crock pot does all the heavy lifting, giving you tender meat without much effort. This is also perfect for every and any occasion, and it is versatile. You can serve it with rice, potatoes, or even on a bed of quinoa. After adding your chuck roast in the slow cooker, cook on low for 8 to 10 hours or on high for 4 to 6 hours until it's tender and falling apart, and you will end up with a hearty, simple, but delicious chuck roast that everyone will love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next recipe.